Hey guys, welcome to Booked. Booked is a new way for reading, interacting with, and learning from your favorite books. When a user first logs in, they are greeted by a landing page. The landing page better describes what the tool does, as well as gives you the pricing structure for the freemium and premium versions of the product. Um, a nice call to action to get pro, as well as the ability to sign in or sign up. We're going to sign in to a premium user so that you can see the full scope of functionality that we have. When the user first logs in, they're greeted with the bookshelf page. This is where they have all of the books that they have either uploaded or that have been provided by the community and the app itself. From here, the user is able to go to specific chats within the book by clicking on the book that they have, going to all of their chats, uploading a book, which is accessible through the nav bar as well, the ability to manage their subscription, the ability to create a course or visit the course gallery, the ability to change the theme of the application. It's currently based off of system settings, as well as the ability to manage their account. And just to give you guys the full scope of things, there's a Stripe integration in the background that gives us or gives the user the ability to manage their subscription. Let's say that we want to have a conversation with Inspire to get a better idea of what it takes to create tech products customers love. From here, this is our chat page. When a user visits the chat page, they're greeted by the ability to scroll between chats, as well as the ability to read their book or document, and the ability to have a conversation with the book. As you just saw, there's the capacity of being able to have multiple conversations with a book that are all independent of each other. So let's say, yeah, as you can see, I've already been asking questions. Let's say, what is a technology powered product? Great. As you can see that we're getting a response based off of the context of the book, which is great. We have a better idea about what a technology powered product or service is. Let's say that we now want to talk to Atomic Habits to get a better idea of what it takes to build habits. What is the importance of environment when it comes to creating a habit? What's happening in the backend is we are taking this query, vectorizing it, querying our vector database, providing that context to a GPT model, and getting context or getting an answer based off of what we were asking. Um, Great. That's very helpful in understanding how I can better set up my environment to create helpful habits. So let's say that we want to upload a book and have a conversation with a book that is of our own interest. We can either drag the book or the file on top or just pass it through the drop zone. Once the book is finished uploading, you can see it takes us to the chat course. Um, let's say I don't know what this book is about. What is most important when it comes to building wealth? Great. You can see it's giving us some helpful information based off of the book, talking about skin in the game. Great. Um, Now, from here, we want to create a course from this book and the chat that we're having. Great. It takes us to the create a course section where we can select a book or leave it blank for the creating of curriculum from general knowledge. So let's say that we want to understand a little bit more about what it takes to create a product. Going to, like I mentioned, take the context of the book as well as general knowledge and create a curriculum for us or the outline of a curriculum. Once it finishes, it takes us to the curriculum section itself. Introduction to B2B SaaS, building a B2B SaaS model, developing a product, marketing and sales strategies, scaling and growing a B2B SaaS business. From here, we click generate, And as you can see, it's going in and creating the actual curriculum for us. It'll let us know as things succeed and are created in the background. Once all of them are finished, it's going to actually take us to the curriculum page itself. Great, looks like it's finished creating that curriculum for us. As you can see to the left, we have the outline of our curriculum that includes the title, the different units of this curriculum, as well as different chapters within that unit. So for this first unit, what is a B2B SaaS? We see that there's a relevant video as well as summary of the video. And we have the ability to do concept checks by generating questions. So let's click to generate some questions so that we can better understand. So it creates this concept check. What is a B2B SaaS? Let's say that it's B2B software for companies. Looks like that's wrong. So what if we go with business to business software as a service? Great. So it's able to give you input on what you've created. Um, we then have the ability to scroll between the different chapters as we're learning. So great. From here, we have the ability to see all of the courses that we've created in the past. As you can see, here's our newly created B2B business or B2B SaaS curriculum, as well as all of the ones we've created in the past. So to see an example of just a general curriculum builder that's not related to a book, because as you saw, there is no Roman book um, that we have in our library. Here's an example of what we're able to create. Um, it's pretty cool. From here, let's go back to our bookshelf and voila. So that is the end of the product demo. There's still a lot more to be built, but thank you very much for coming with us on this journey of what is the future of reading, interacting with books, as well as learning from books. We hope to see you again soon. Thanks, guys.